Hope you all are doing well. In this video we will see how to work with bevel tools. Okay, and with the bevel tool I'm going to sharp the edges. Okay, and at the end of this video we are going to also make one chair. Okay, a wooden chair with the help of bevel tool. Okay, in Blender. So let's see. Go to general first. So in order to make a work with bevel tool, first you need to select the object, and it's a request to those who are seeing this video first time. I request them to go back to my previous videos and explore it and see how to use the shortcut keys. So if you're seeing first time, it will be difficult for you. So go to my previous videos and see those videos, so you'll be able to get the topics easily. So now what I'll do, after selecting, I'll just go to press tab. After pressing tab, you can see what I'm going to show you how to work with bevel. So first thing, in order to do that, I'm going to select the edges. Okay, so let's see how to do that. So select one edge. Basically I'm in vertex right now. Select the edge, and after that you have to bevel. Click on bevel tool, just drag this yellow. So as you can see, with the help of bevel tool I can able to smooth the edges, or you can say you can sharp the edges with the help of bevel tool. Now after this once you just use this for dragging purpose, and after that, as soon as you leave, you'll find the bevel is coming over here towards your left bottom side. Just follow my cursor, click on that bevel, and after that let's see how to play with this tools in the bevel. So first thing, I'll just play with width. If I'm playing with the width, so it is basically increasing. Okay, let's say increase the segment first. Okay, I'm unable to see the segment over here basically, so I'll do bevel first. After beveling, this window will open. In this window, what you have to do, you have to play with the segments. So if you increase the number of segments, that will include the number of edges in the in your object, and it will make it smooth. Okay, if I play with the width, let's say what will happen. So you can see, you can manage, or you can arrange the width according to you. Okay, and coming to this shape, so you can go make the object deeper and curvy with the help of this shape tool. Okay, so now after this there is also a custom key. Okay, just click on that and you can see the small map or graph, you can say, and you can play with the dots, and you can customize your object easily the way you want. Okay, so you can see we can able to customize by changing this the map or the graph. Okay, like this you can do. There's other options, like some presets are also there, from where also you can choose your objects. I'm choosing the default first. So in default it is going to be a as it is how you made it in the first. Next, support loops, like this you can do. And if you go with cornice modeling, you can able to see. So basically this kind of structure is used for making frames, the photo frames. Now cloud modeling. Okay, so these are some preset structures, okay, done by the manufacturers or the developers, 3D modeling developers. Now let's see. So these are the different things what we have in the bevel tool. Okay, so let's see by using this bevel tool how can we make a chair, and how we make those edges of the chair smoothing with the help of this bevel tool. So select the object first by pressing A. After selecting, you have to delete this object, then I'll just go to tab mode, and after that you delete. I have deleted. Now I'll add the objects. I'll add cubes. Basically first I'm going to make the sitting place. Okay, so scaling I have to do towards Z, and I'll just lower it and make the flattened surface for just sitting place. It's a sitting area. Okay, you can adjust, then click, and then you have to do the scaling towards X, you have to do scaling towards Y. These tools have been discussed in previous videos, so those who are seeing first time, go through the previous videos so you'll understand. Now I got the sit in place. Now I'll add 4 legs. So legs will be also made of your cubes. So shift A will add the cube, and after adding the cube we need to play with these things. So go play with towards the X. Okay, I think this much thickness would be okay for the chair. Okay, now let's change your view. So then do scaling towards Y also. Okay, after that I want the duplicates of this legs, like 4 duplicates. So I'll just increase the size also, and towards Z I have to do. Okay, and after that I need to do duplicate. So shift plus D will duplicate the object. So how many legs you want? 4. So 4 times shift D, or you can also press shift plus R for copying it. Okay, now you need to go to the top view to see these objects. Okay, first what I will do, I'll take G and I'll bring this object to this corner. It's the first leg. Then this to again G I have to press, and I have to fix the location. Okay, this chair I'm making very roughly. You can give more time to to decorate it nicely. Now again G you have to press after selecting the object and move wherever the location you want to move. And the last object left, just select it and press G again, and you can able to move it wherever you want. So 4 legs, 4 directions you can see. But the problem here is all legs are not fixed properly. So I have selected this one, and I'll press G. I want to move it, and I'll move it towards the Z. So like this I can select and able to make the chair. So it's a desk, simple table I have made. Okay, fine. So like this you can design as a small table. So in order to make a chair, you need to take one more object. That's going to be a cube itself. So take a cube, add a cube to your object, move it, place it here, and just flatten it vertically. So again do the scaling towards X, do the scaling towards X axis. Okay, then I'll move this object to near to the base here, and I will adjust. I'll see it from the top view. So with the top view, what happens, you can able to get proper location and adjustments you can do with different views. So I prefer changing my views while working with the 3D models. It has to be done, otherwise your model will not look good. Okay, Z, it won't be a proper then. Y, so I have to do this, and again I have to press G. So all I'm doing with the help of short keys. I'm not using traditional method. So scale again towards Y again. So yes, fine. Adjust the location by pressing G. Fine. Now let's see have other view how it is looking. So like this I'll do, and I'll move it towards the Z direction, towards upward. Okay, you can see you need to be scaled, right? So scale it towards Z again. So if you just do it, you can able to see. Again G you have to press and move it a little up. Okay, so this is a small thing what will look like a chair. Now what I'll do, I will sharpen the edges as we have said in the video. So here we have the edges. So select, go to edit mode by pressing tab, and select the edge here. Okay, so now I'm going to select the edges, So first I'll round this edge. Okay, so with the help of bevel we can round the edges. So I'll press Control B again, and I can able to move the object like this. After doing that, it is set at preset, right? So I'll set it default, and after that I'll just use this, this one, shape. So supervised I have to select. So you can see I have, by changing this value I can actually change the look. So now you can see the edges are smooth, right? Same you have to do with this also. And after that, Control B, press and just shape it. It is taking the is copying the previous step actually, because we have set like that, right? Now again, Shift Control plus D we have to press and sharpen the edges like this. Same things we can do with all the sides. Okay, try it by yourself. Control B again, and I'll just do like this. Again, if you need sharpening here, you can do that. Select the edge. So let's say I'm doing it by my own. I also want you guys to do it. I have forgot to mention one thing, that when we are moving to the edit mode to doing this bevel operation, we have selected this object, right? So this object only you can able to edit, because you have selected this one in object mode. So again, if you want to work on this, you have to select this object, then you have to go back to the edit mode again, and then you have to work on this. Getting? Otherwise, if you work with edit mode now, it won't work properly. So I'm here now, and I will take the blocks. I'll take the edges, this edge, and again do the sharpening. Same with Control B I have to do. Okay. And we'll go back. After doing so, I'll increase the segment. Like this you can able to design your table. Same thing you can apply to the legs. Okay, you can select again, you have to go to the object mode basically and select the leg. Okay, for each leg you have to again work 4 times in the object mode. Okay, and the edit mode. So like this we can able to make the structure of a chair. I have made this one very in a very short time. So if you take more time, you can able to bevel your objects, and you can give a nice look to your object. Okay, fine. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.